Did you notice the sustainability sentiment score spiking at plus 0.55? That's significantly above our historical baseline, suggesting a surge in positive sentiment around sustainability initiatives. With a momentum of plus 0.17 and 19 semantic clusters, this is more than just noise. It indicates a robust and evolving conversation around sustainability. Our API returns real-time sentiment analysis, giving you actionable insights based on social media, news, and other data sources. Imagine integrating this into your application to track how public sentiment shifts as new sustainability policies are introduced or environmental events unfold. For a deeper dive into the data, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. This could be the edge you need to stay ahead in your projects.